Morning students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, list manipulation. Sequence arise naturally in many real life situations. A year has 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The months of the year are in a sequence. After January, it will always be February. It is impossible to jump from March to July because it has to go in a sequence. So, we say a sequence is an object that contains multiple items of data. The items are stored in a sequence one after the other, such as a sequence of events, movements, items, or a sequence in which a player records with a sound recorder, etc. Consider the examples of sequence of cars, as is evident from the figure. There is a sequence of cars and each car becomes an element or item of this particular sequence. Here we have a grey colored car, a blue color, a orange color and so on. So all these cars combined together form a sequence. Python also supports sequence which can be considered as containers, and in those containers certain items are stored. The sequence may have repeated items in the list. The number of elements is called length of sequence. List. In this chapter we will focus only on list, and rest of the Python sequence shall be discussed in the successive chapters. A list is a collection of values or an ordered sequence of values or items. The items in a list can be of any type such as string, integers, float, objects or even a list. Elements of list are enclosed in square brackets separated by commas. Lists are mutable, that is, values in the list can be modified, which means that Python will not create a new list when you make changes to an element of the list. Next, creating or declaring list. List can be created by putting comma separated values or item within square brackets. Square bracket indicates the start and end of the list containing of elements separated by a comma. Its syntax is list name equal to square brackets. For example, L equal to square brackets. This construct is termed as list display construct. Square brackets in the above syntax containing the set of values or element containing the list with the name given as list name. This is termed as initialization of the list with a blank or no values, or we can say an empty list. A list can be populated with any type of values or collection of items by enclosing inside square brackets as shown in the example given below. For example, equal to fruits, mango, apple, grapes. Here we have a list of fruits having 3 items, 1, 2, 3. Mango, apple and grapes, separated by a comma and enclosed inside square brackets. Okay, other examples of list are list types and examples. List in Python can be broadly classified into three types. First one empty list, second one long list, and third one nested list. First example, list 1 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This one denote list of integers, list of integers. Another one, list 2 equal to Deepu, string, this one string, 450 integer, then 30.3 float. This one denote list with elements of different data types. Next, list 3 equal to A, E, I. This one denote list of characters, list of characters. Then list 4 equal to square brackets. That means empty list, that is list with no element. Then next one, list 5 equal to 3, 4, comma, list of 5, 6, 7, comma, 8. This one denote list containing another list as an element, that is nested list. This one denote list containing another list as an element, that is nested list. Next, list 6 equal to 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and so on. This one denote long list, that is a list containing many elements which are squares of numbers starting from 0 to 25. Next, creating a list from an existing sequence. The list method in Python takes sequence types and converts a given record or string into list. We can create a list from an existing sequence using this built-in function list. First one, creating a list from a sequence or string. List name equal to list of string. Syntax, list name equal to list of string. For example, list 1 equal to list of computer. Print list 1 displays list of C, O, M, P, U, T, E, R. The given example, a new list, list 1 is created from a sequence computer and displayed by typing the name of the list, that is list 1 as shown in figure. Okay, next one, an empty list with a function list. List 2 equal to list print list 2. List of എന്ന് കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഒരു blank list ആയിരിക്കും create ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, then third one, creating a list through user input using list method. You can create a new list by extracting the elements from the user through command prompt and using built-in method list as shown below. Example, list 1 equal to list of input, enter the values. ഇപ്പോൾ സ്ക്രീനിൽ enter the values എന്ന് വരും. നമ്മൾ hi python എൻ്റർ ചെയ്യും. പ്രിന്റ് ലിസ്റ്റ് 1 എന്ന് കാണിക്കുമ്പോൾ അത് എന്തുവാണോ ആ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന കാര്യം ലിസ്റ്റിലായിരിക്കും ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, okay, list 1 equal to list of enter values, list of input, enter values. Okay, enter values, hi python, print list 1. അപ്പോൾ ലിസ്റ്റ് 1 ഹായ് പൈതൺ എന്നുള്ള വാല്യൂ സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിനെ ലിസ്റ്റ് ആക്കാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. പ്രിന്റ് ലിസ്റ്റ് 1 ഹായ് പൈതൺ. ഓക്കെ, Another example, list 2 equal to list of hi. List 2 print or list 2 എന്ന് കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ hi. അത് ലിസ്റ്റിലായിരിക്കും കാണിക്കുന്നത് സ്ക്വയർ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ്സിൽ. ഓക്കെ. പ്രിന്റ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ക്യാൻ ബി യൂസ്ഡ് ടു ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ആൻഡ് എൻറ്റർ ലിസ്റ്റ്. ലിസ്റ്റ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ can convert certain types of objects into list. ഞാൻ ലിസ്റ്റ് 3 equal to വെറും ലിസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് മാത്രമാണ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്, വാല്യൂസ് ഒന്നും കൊടുത്തിട്ടില്ല. ദെൻ ലിസ്റ്റ് 3 എന്ന് കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ സ്ക്വയർ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ? Thus we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you.